So, good morning. So, good morning. I already told you about 15 spotters and uh, two experiment. One is for identification of glucose, other one is identification of fructose, otherwise identification of carbohydrate. Okay, you know that if you get cherry red color, it is ketose, means fructose. If no cherry red color, it is glucose. Okay, other reactions are already discussed in detail. Let us go to color reactions of protein. Okay, so identification of glucose or fructose is important, 15 spotter is important, and also this color reactions of protein. Okay, there are many color reactions up to 9 or 10, but we will discuss only few here from the university exam point of view. Practical demo. You have to see the slide and answer. Okay, here not the identification. You will be provided with the reactions of egg albumin. So only thing you have to write uh, uh, inference. Any practical contains test how much to add and all, and what color you will get, that and all, observation. So this is the test, so this is the color, and last column is inference. So color reactions of egg albumin, you have to write inference column. Okay, during offline exam. Is it clear? Let us start. A brief introduction with the protein. You know that proteins are made up of amino acid. They contains amino group NH2 and carboxylic COOH group, and R group is variable. You know the importance of amino acid, like glycine. There are many products: hemoglobin, then neurotransmitters, histamine, and all those things. So their amino acids are classified as essential, semi-essential, non-essential, based on the metabolic fate, glucogenic, uh, ketogenic, both and all. You know that amino acids, proteins are made up of amino acid joined by peptide bond. So proteins are polypeptide structure. Because of the polypeptide structure and the presence of different amino acid residues, these proteins react with the variety of reagent to form colored product. So exhibit, they involve in various color reactions. So these tests are known as color reactions of proteins. Several of these reactions are of importance in qualitative detection and quantitative estimation of protein and their constituents amino acids. Usually there are proteins usually used in the lab is egg albumin, which contains almost all amino acid. Okay, that is why we tell to give the patient and all. Egg albumin white part is rich in amino acid. Casein is milk protein, which is phosphoprotein. Gelatin and peptone. Gelatin and peptone are derivatives of protein. Gelatin is usually obtained by boiling of collagen. Peptone is formed by partial hydrolysis of the protein. So I am not going detail. Only this class purpose is to identify or to know the demo experiment for the examination purpose. That is the color reactions of protein. So first I will explain these reactions. One is the biuret reaction. Okay, biuret reaction. What is the general test for carbohydrates? Molish test. So general test for protein is biuret. So cupric ion in alkaline medium forms a violet colored complex. Okay, it's a biuret is blue in color. Cupric ion in alkaline medium forms a violet colored complex with nitrogen atom of peptide bond of proteins and peptide. Okay, so there is a reaction with nitrogen bonds and nitrogen atoms of the peptide bonds with the cupric ions. So the minimum requirement for a positive test is the presence of two peptide bond. Usually this question asked, so the minimum requirement is the presence of two peptide bond. What is peptide bond? You know that amino acid are linked together by peptide bond in protein. Okay. So reaction is this biuret reaction is 1 ml of albumin means egg albumin protein. You have to add 1 ml of 5% sodium hydroxide to make the condition alkaline, and 2 drops of 1% copper sulfate CuSO4. You get violet color. Actual reagent color of biuret is blue, so after reaction you get violet color. Next reaction is ninhydrin reaction. So this is a general test for alpha amino acid. So biuret is general test for protein. Ninhydrin reaction is general test for alpha amino acid. Almost all are alpha amino acid. So ninhydrin react with free alpha amino groups of proteins to form purple or blue colored complex. Rohmann's purple we call. This is one of the most sensitive test for amino acid. Okay, so alpha amino acid, okay, with the ninhydrin gives purple colored complex. So actually we have to take 1 ml of egg albumin solution plus 10 drops of ninhydrin. So heat to boil, you get blue or purple color produced. So that shows that egg albumin contain alpha amino acid. Third reaction is Millen's test, Cooley's test, also called Cooley's test, COLES. This is particularly for tyrosine. Okay, tyrosine and proteins containing tyrosine. What is tyrosine? It is a amino acid tyrosine is aromatic amino acid. Okay, phenylalanine, tyrosine and tryptophan are aromatic amino acid. So Millen's test is particularly for tyrosine. Tyrosine and protein containing tyrosine will give a red color or even precipitate, red precipitate, due to the formation of nitrated mercuric phenolate ion from the hydroxyphenyl group present in the tyrosine. So this hydroxyphenyl group is responsible for the formation of red color. Okay, so reaction details not required. So practical purpose, you should know 1 ml of albumin, you have to add 1 ml of mercuric sulfate. Boil gently for 30 seconds and 2 drops of 1% sodium nitrite. Okay, so you get red color. So this is for Millen's test or Cooley's test for amino acids, this tyrosine and protein containing amino acid tyrosine. Next test is Sakaguchi test. Okay, Sakaguchi test this is for arginine. Okay, semi-essential amino acid. Free arginine or arginyl residues in proteins, they react with alpha naphthol and alkaline bromide to give a red colored complex. So here also we get red colored complex. This reaction is specific for guanidine group. So this guanidine group is there in amino acid arginine. So this reaction bright red color Sakaguchi test positive only because of the presence of guanidine group which is present in arginine. So we have to take 3 ml of albumin, egg albumin solution plus add 2 drops of 40% sodium hydroxide alkali and 1 drops of alpha naphthol. A red color is formed. Previous Millen's test also you get red color, here also we get red color, and that is for previous tyrosine, this is for arginine. Okay. Last reaction is for sulfur, mainly for sulfur containing amino acid. Last sectional you got which is the following amino name sulfur containing amino acid. Which of the following amino acid is a sulfur containing amino acid? So which one? Methionine, cysteine or cysteine? Okay. Cysteine or cysteine are proteins containing amino acids are boiled with strong alkali. Organic sulfur is converted to inorganic sulfide. Okay. So addition of lead acetate here to the solution causes the precipitation of insoluble lead sulfide, so that you get dirty brown or black color. So methionine actually does not answer the test since the sulfur in the methionine is not split with the alkali. So methionine also sulfur containing amino acid, but this particular test is not applicable for methionine because sulfur in methionine is not split with the alkali. Okay, we have to go for some other whatever. So sulfur test for cysteine and cysteine amino acid. So we have to take 2 ml of albumin plus equal volume of 40% sodium hydroxide, boil at least for 1 minute, cool and add 2 to 3 drops of lead acetate. Okay, so we get black dirty brown or black precipitate of lead sulfide. Okay, so actually here organic sulfur is converted to inorganic sulfide. Okay, so this is the sulfur test. So same thing. So what are the tests? What we discussed here, there are some more tests. So even Molish test for glycoproteins, carbohydrate containing proteins and all. So let us see only bother about these tests. Biuret test is for general test for proteins, like Molish test is general test for carbohydrate, Biuret test is general test for protein, ninhydrin is for alpha amino acids, we get blue or purple color. Millen's test for tyrosine. Okay, Millen's test for tyrosine. Aromatic amino acids. Sakaguchi test for arginine which contains guanidine group. Sulfur test mainly cysteine and cysteine. Okay, these are the 5 reactions. So this is important. Okay, actually see biuret I told violet color will get. What is the color of the actual biuret reagent is blue. After reaction we get violet color. So usually in the practical demo exam like this slide will be displayed. So it is biuret test name is there, so color is violet, so it is positive. So inference egg albumin is a protein. Okay, egg albumin is a protein.